So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about the lower 10 NIT, lower 10 triple IT and 10 GFTI cutoff that you can get at lower rank also. So here I will provide you the information about all category, that is general, OBC, SC, ST, home state, other state, male, female cutoff. So you will get all type of cutoff. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the video if you are first to my channel, because I will provide you information about JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and other counseling, other entrance exam regularly in this channel only. And I have already uploaded the video on minimum marks that you need to score at least in the third and fourth attempt of JEE exam, so that you can get into NITs, triple IT, GFTI, that is the category wise male female I have talked. So you can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box, and you can get all the information, that is the marks versus percentile and percentile versus category rank also. That is a unique video you can get in the I button as well as in the description box, and you can go to my channel playlist also. There you will find different type of playlist for different type of video. So please try to subscribe this channel, it's my humble request, and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. So let's start this video. So the first NIT that comes under this category is NIT Jalandhar, that is textile engineering, have the lowest cutoff among all the branch of NIT Jalandhar. So here I will discuss the textile engineering cutoff category wise for home state and other state, male and female. So for general, home state 91 and 90,000, and for other state 47 and 52,000, that is male and female. So now I will discuss the other state cutoff only. You can check the home state sidewise. So once again I remind you, if you think how much percentile you need to score to get those category rank, that is I will discuss only the category rank here, that is general CRL rank. Next I will talk about EWS, SC, ST, OBC, that is the category rank. So if you want to know the your category rank based your percentile, you can check the video, that is percentile versus your category rank. So you will have the idea how much category rank will be your based on your percentile that you have got, so that you can estimate which NIT you can get. So for EWS, it is 7.9, 9.3 thousand. For other state, male, female, home state, you can check sidewise. And for OBC, it is 15 and 20,000. That is OBC category rank. And for SC, it is 8.6 and 10,000. And for ST, it is 3.4 and 4.3 thousand. So this is all about NIT Jalandhar. That the lowest possible cutoff to get this NIT is for textile engineering, and I have listed all those cutoff for all type of a student. So the next is second, that is NIT Andhra Pradesh biotechnology. So the college have the lowest cutoff for biotechnology among all the branches. So I will discuss now the cutoff, and it is a good NIT, but if you want only to get into this NIT with any branch, you can get the biotechnology branch with the lowest possible cutoff. So for general it is 47 and 48,000. So if you score around 95 or 96 percentile, you can get this NIT if you are a other status student and general. For EWS, no seat reserved. For OBC, 14,000 male, and for SC, 7.7 thousand. And wherever you will find the star marks, that means that category is not reserved. So for ST, home state 4,000 and no other reservation. So this is all about NIT Andhra Pradesh. So next is IIEST Sipur, the mining branch have the lowest cutoff for this NIT. So you can check. And one more thing about this NIT is, previously it was an GFTI, but now it has got an approval of NIT, so it is considered under NIT. So here is the cutoff for general 48 56,000, and for EWS 8.1, and for OBC 14 and 20,000, for SC 7.7, and for ST 2.8 thousand. So once again I remind you, if you don't watch the video, that is percentile versus your category rank, you can watch that video in I button as well as in the description box. You will get the information, that is percentile versus your category rank, for how much percentile, how much your category rank will be, you can get there. So next is NIT Agartala. Production engineering have the lowest cutoff among all the branches. So if you talk about general student, 49 to 58,000, that is male and female. And for EWS 8.6, 10,000. And for OBC 15 and 21,000. And if you talk about SCS student, 9.2 and 12,000, that is male and female. And for ST it has 3.5 and 6.2 thousand. So the next one is NIT Sikkim. Civil engineering have the lowest cutoff among all the branches. So here is the cutoff for general 47,000, for EWS no seat, for OBC 13,000, for SC 7.4 thousand, for ST no seat. So the next one is NIT Srinagar, metallurgical and mining engineering. So here is the metallurgical and material engineering. So
Here is the cutoff for general 51 and 59,000. That is, if you score around 95 percentile, if you are general from other state, then you can easily get this NIT with this branch. So for EWS 8,000, and for OBC 16 and 22,000, and if you talk about SC, it is 9.5 and 12,000. So watch that video of percentile versus your category rank. You will get SC rank, OBC rank, EWS rank, and ST rank also. So please watch that video. And for ST 3.6 thousand. Now the next one is NIT Arunachal. Civil branch have the lowest cutoff. For general 48 and 57,000. For EWS no seat. For OBC 14,000, and for SC 7.5 thousand, and for ST there is no seat for other status student. So the next one is number 8, NIT Manipur. It has also civil branch have the lowest cutoff. So here is the cutoff for civil branch. For general 47,000, EWS no seat, OBC 14,000, SC 7.2, and no seat for ST student. So this is all about NIT Manipur. Next is NIT Nagaland. It has also the lowest cutoff for civil branch. So for general 49 and 58,000. So one more for EWS 8.5 thousand, for OBC 15,000, and for SC 8,000, and for ST 11 and 17,000. So the next is the last one that I am considering in this video is NIT Mizoram. It has also civil branch with the lowest cutoff. So for general 49,000, for EWS no seat, for OBC 14 and 21,000, for SC no seat, and for ST there is no reservation for other state. So this is all about the 10 NIT with the lowest possible cutoff for a particular branch that you can get. So below this rank you can't get any NIT. So the first one is triple IT Ranchi. So there is no sequence. I will just follow 10 triple IT and give you the information regarding that. So triple IT Ranchi, here is the cutoff. Category wise, for general, for CS 32.7 thousand, there is male and female separate cutoff. So for EC 40.2 thousand you need to score. For EWS 6 and 7,000, that is for CS and EC, that is the category EWS rank, EWS category rank that you can get in by watching that video that I have talked previously. So for OBC 12.9 and 15.8 for EC, that is CS and EC cutoff. So this triple IT have two branches, it is CS and EC. So I am considering both the cutoff here. For SC 9.6 for CS, 10.6 for EC. For ST 5,000 CS and 5.9 thousand EC, that is category ST rank. So for the next is triple IT Andhra Pradesh. So here is the cutoff for CS 32 and 40.4 thousand for general, and for EWS 6 and 7.1 thousand, for OBC 12.8 and 14.2 thousand, and for SC 6 and 7.3 thousand, for ST 3.1 and 3.7 thousand. So this is all about triple IT Andhra Pradesh. So the next one is triple IT Kottayam. So here is the cutoff. Here both the cutoff is available for male and female separate. So I have considered all the possible. So in my every video you will get the cutoff and all the information related to all the category and male female also, and home state other state for NIT college, because here in triple IT there is no home state other state like things. So for general 34,000 for CS, and for EC 41 and 40,000, and for EWS 6.6 thousand and 7,000 for EC. And wherever you will find the star marks, that means that category is not reserved for that particular branch. For OBC 14.1, 15.3 for CS, and for EC 14.9 thousand. For SC 10 and 8.7 thousand, and for EC 10.2 thousand. For ST 5.3, for CS 5.5 for EC. So this is all about triple IT Kottayam. So the next is triple IT Bhagalpur. So here is the cutoff for CS and EC, no male female separate cutoff. For general 39,000 for CS and 46.5 thousand for EC, and for EWS 6.8 thousand and 8.4 thousand for CS and EC respectively. For OBC 15.1, 16.7 CS and EC respectively. For SC 10.2, 11.1 thousand, and for ST 5.5 for CS, 6 for EC. So this is all about triple IT Bhagalpur. So the next one is triple IT Agartala. So here is only one branch is available in this college, that is CS. So for general 39.1 thousand, and one more for EWS 7,000, for OBC 14.8 thousand, SC 10.2 thousand, ST 5.4 thousand. So the next one is triple IT VICD. So here is the category wise cutoff. It has only one branch, that is CS, and for general 30.3 thousand, for AWS 5.9, for OBC 12.2, and for SC 10, and for ST 4.8 thousand. So the next one is Triple IT Dharwad. So here is the cutoff. It has two branches, CS and EC. For general 34.2 and 39.7 for EC. For AWS 6.57, and for OBC 14 and 15.2, and for SC 9.3, 9.9, and for ST 4.5 and 5,000. Triple IT Manipur. So here is the cutoff, that is for CS and EC 2 branch. For general 41.6, and for EC 45.4. For AWS category 7 and 8,000, and for OBC 15.5, 16.5 thousand. For SC 10 and 10.7. For ST 5.2 and 6,000. So this is all about Triple IT Manipur. So the next one is Triple IT UNA. So here is the category wise cutoff. For CS, IT and EC, it has 3 branch. So for general 30.8, 35.7, 41.3 for CS, IT, EC respectively. For AWS 6.2, 6.5, 7.1, and for OBC 12.5, 14.7, 15.7, and for SC 9.7, 10 and 10.4. So these all are category rank. So please watch the video, that is marks versus percentile versus your category rank, so that you will get your category rank, so that you can estimate yourself by watching this video. Any other cutoff videos. So for ST 4.8, 5.6, 5.9. So the next one is Triple IT Kalyani. So here is the cutoff, that is only CS branch is available in this college. So for general 36.3, and for AWS 6.4, and for OBC 14, and for SC 9, and for ST 4.4 thousand. So this is all about the Triple IT Kalyani. So this is all about the 10 Triple IT that you can get at lower rank. I have considered all possible branches cutoff, that is category wise and male and female.
So here is the number 10, St. Longwall Institute of Engineering and Technology. So here is the cutoff for CS and EC branch, because IT branch is not present in this college. So here is the cutoff for general 48.4 thousand is the last round cutoff of CS, and for EC 53,000. The cutoff may go to a higher rank, that is around 55 or 60,000 also for EC in the CSAB round, but I am discussing here the JOSA round, because there is no fixed pattern in CSAB round. It can go to 60,000, or it can remain same, or it can go to 70,000 also. So CSAB round is not fixed, so I am considering the counseling round 6 cutoff, that is the 48.4 thousand for CS, and EC 53,000. For OBC 17 and 18,000, for SC 11 and 12,000, and for ST it is 5.4, 5.5 and 6.4 thousand, and for EWS 8.4 and 8.8 thousand. So one more information, if you want to check the your category rank based on the percentile that you have got in the last 2 attempt, or you will get in the next attempt, so that you can estimate yourself which type of GFTI or NIT you can get, because I have made many videos for NIT and triple IT's cutoff also. So watch my video, that is percentile versus your category rank, so that you can get your category rank OBC, SC, ST, EWS and general based on a particular percentile. So watch that video, you will get link in the I button as well as in the description box. So for the next one, that is IIT RM Ahmedabad. This is the number 9 GFTI. So here is the cutoff, that is mechanical, civil engineering and electrical engineering, because there is no CS, IT, EC branch. So I am considering these 3 core branch that is present in this GFTI. So for general 48,000, for mechanical, for civil 51,000, for electrical 46,000, for OBC 16, 17 and 16.7 thousand, for SC 11, 9 and 10.7 thousand, for ST it is 4.4, 3.3 and 3.6 thousand, and for EWS it is 8.5, 9,000 and 8,000. So this is all about the IIT RM Ahmedabad, that is the number 9 GFTI. So I have made the ranking based on the cutoff. So as the video progresses, the cutoff will decrease. So for the next one, that is number 8 JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technology, Allahabad. So here is the cutoff for CS and EC branch. For general 39,000 for CS, and for EC 48,000, for OBC 15.2 thousand, and for EC 17,000. So I will make this video percentile wise also, so that you can feel comfortable in order to estimate yourself. So don't worry, for now just try to watch my video, that is percentile versus your category rank, so that you can get the estimation which type of GFTI you can get with which branch. So for SC 9.4 thousand and 11.5 thousand, for ST 4.3 thousand and 6,000, and for EWS it is 7.7 and 8.4 thousand. So the next one is number 7 Central University of Rajasthan. So here is the cutoff for CS and IT. For OBC 38.3 thousand, for CS and IT for 45,000. For OBC 14,500 for CS, and for IT it is 16,500. For SC 9.5 and 11,000. For ST 3.2 4.8 thousand, and for EWS it is 7 and 8.3 thousand for CS and IT respectively. So the next one is JNU Delhi. So here is the cutoff, that is the number 6 GFTI. So for CS and EC, for general 20.6 thousand and 28.1 thousand, and for OBC 9 and 11.3 thousand, for SC 4 and 6.7 thousand, for ST 2 and 3.5 thousand, for EWS 4 and 5.7 thousand for the JNU Delhi. So the next one is Triple IT Bhubaneswar. So here is the cutoff for general 19.7, 25.6 and 35,000 for CSIT EC respectively, and for OBC 7.3, 10.3 and 13.3 thousand. For SC 5.5, 8.3, 9,000, and for ST 3.1, 4.3, 4.6 thousand. And for EWS it is 3.4, 4.8 and 6.7 thousand. So this is all about Triple IT Bhubaneswar. Now the next one is Triple IT Naya Raipur. Here is the cutoff for CS and EC branch. For general 17.5 and 28.4 thousand. For OBC 7 and 11.2 thousand, SC 4.88 thousand, and ST 2.5, 3.4 thousand. So the next one is University of Hyderabad. So here is the cutoff. The only one branch is available, it is CSC. For general 16.7 thousand, OBC 6.5 thousand, SC 3.8, ST 847 rank only, and for EWS 3.3 thousand rank only. So the next one is BIT Misra. The second number GFTI, here is the cutoff, that is for CS for general 10.8 thousand, IT 12.6 thousand, EC 18,000. So for SC 3.9 4,000 and 4.5 thousand. For ST 2.1 2 and 2.9 thousand, and for EWS 2.1 thousand and 1700 and 2.2 thousand. There is no reservation for the OBC candidate in this GFTI. So the next one is the number 1 PAC Chandigarh. Based on the cutoff, this is the number 1 GFTI as of now. So here is the cutoff for CS and EC branch. For general 8,000, 16.4 thousand, and for SC 2.7, 5.6, ST 1.5, 2.9, EWS 1.6, 3.3. So in this college also there is no reservation for the OBC candidate. So this is all about the top 10 GFTI cutoff, that is the JOSA round 6 counseling 2020 cutoff. So I hope you find this video very useful, and try to share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please try to subscribe so that you get the further videos. Also I will make same video for percentile wise also, so that you can feel more comfortable to estimate yourself which type of GFTI you can get. So thanks for watching this video.